Hello my friend, this is Somi from WMT CNC. We are professional manufacturer, mainly produce CNC lathe, manual lathe, machining center, and so on. We have sold our machine to all over the world, more than 1,500 countries. Today, we will show you our best-selling machine, Big Spindle Bore CNC Lathe, Pipe Threading CNC Lathe. This is our Big Spindle Bore CNC Lathe machine, CDK6150. This model functions more advanced, complete-size machining. This machine can aid different size chuck, can process different size workpieces. Spindle speed is 70 to 800 revolutions per minute. Distance between center is 1500 mm. Max swing over bed diameter is 500 mm. This machine X-axis and Z-axis rapid movement is 4000 mm per minute and 5000 mm per minute. X-axis travel is 3010 mm. Z-axis travel is 800 mm. Both X-axis and Z-axis are driven by high-performance motors with a speed of 1500 revolutions per minute. If you are interested in this model, please feel free to contact us.